Okay, my name is Terry Manning. I'm Technology Coordinator for the Department of Journalism and Mass Communications at Savannah State University, and this is my semi-regular update to trying different microphone options, different sound recording options for video production. I'll be testing and comparing some relatively inexpensive microphone options that I will be recommending to students. I don't think there's anything I'm using that's not affordable. I don't think there's anything I'm using that you can't find a comparable product from another manufacturer, but these just are the ones that I use. And what you are hearing now is the built-in microphone for my Canon EOS RP. The microphone levels are set to auto, and I picked this setting because it is very non-friendly for doing recordings. You hear the vehicles going by, and there's a lot of natural sound that is not desirable for the final recording. So this is what this sounds like with the internal microphone on the camera and the audio level set to auto. Okay, so this sound is coming from the Techstar SGC 598. I bought it off Amazon several years ago. I think the price was about $30 at the time, and it's still widely available. It's a decent microphone. It gives you options of using a low-pass filter, which I don't have turned on right now. It gives you the option of having a 20 decibel boost, which I don't have turned on. Everything is as flat as possible, and I'm just using it with the bare minimum settings. And the sound that you hear will be exactly as it's recorded. I will not be messing with the levels in post, and I will make sure that the audio settings on the back of the camera are set on manual and at the same level for each microphone input. So this is the Techstar SGC 598. Okay, so this microphone, this is a lavalier mic. The newer, I don't even know what the model number is. I just know that I bought a pack of them on Amazon about 6 years ago, and they were 5 or 6 to a pack. I regularly loan them out to students, and they have not come back. This is the last one. But this is what it sounds like with a lavalier mic running directly into the camera with the same settings as used with the other microphones. Once again, this is a newer NEEWER lavalier multi-pack from Amazon. Okay, the lavalier mic I'm using now is the Rode Smartlav Plus. It's a little more expensive version of the kind of lavalier mic I use in other situations. I think when I purchased this, it was about $79. It comes with proprietary software that you can put on your smartphone if you want to record directly into the smartphone. But I'm using it in this case just to record directly into the Canon camera. The device I'm using to record sound now is the Vidpro XMCM. The Vidpro XMCM is a less expensive alternative to the Rode Video Micro. They look very similar in appearance, and I'm not exactly sure about performance, but for the price, it's hard to quibble. Okay, so that wraps it up. Hopefully this will be a little insightful to you as you make decisions for how you want to record your sound. It always helps me. That's why I like to update it every so often, because with different cameras and different settings, you get different results. And you always want to try to get the best result that is possible for your situation. So hopefully this helps you as much as it helps me.